Welcome to how to load a roller, a paint roller, with emulsion paint onto a roller, 9-inch roller, from your tray. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take this and then roll our walls with it. So the most important thing before you load the paint on, as you can see, I've already cut in the top and I've already cut in the bottom. Now, as you can see, if I put the roller up against the wall, the paint roller, the width of the paint roller is smaller than the width of the cutting in. It's important that you have your cutting in wider than the width of the roller, purely because when you're rolling, you need to be able to stop before you hit the picture rail, or it could be the ceiling, depending on where you have finished. So it's important to make your cutting in wider than the width of your roller. Moving forward, and as you're moving forward, you're just putting a tiny little bit of pressure and you're allowing the roller to roll, as you could see. And then you pick it up, then you come back, and then you keep doing the same thing. And this is called loading the paint roller. So you're loading it up with the paint. Now, I'm doing it down the middle of the tray. As you can see on the edge of the tray, if you wanted to, you can literally move your roller over so that it's touching the edge, so that it helps you to give you grip to allow you to add the paint. So now that I've got the paint on the roller, I'm just evening it out on the roller sleeve, because I've gathered the paint from the tray, and as you can see, the tray has got depth, so there's quite a lot of paint in here. And I've gathered it, and now I'm just making it even on the roller, on this grid area, so that it's ready, nice and even on the roller sleeve. So now there's two ways of applying the paint onto the wall. You can either hold on to the handle and do it by hand, like so. Or what you can do, the majority of roller handles they make nowadays come with a female end, so that this roller extension screws into it. Like so. Until it stops, and that's tight, that's secured. These are adjustable. They go up and down. In fact, this one could double itself in height all the way up to the ceiling level there. So I'll show you now how to load it with the extension pole. It's the same method, and if for instance it's slipping, you just bring it over to the edge here and you just go like so, and it picks the paint up nicely. And so now, because I've got a big area to do, I'm going to use the roller and the roller extension. So as you can see, I can then bring the roller near the top, and I can come straight down and then bring the roller near the skirting without touching. As you can see, there is a pattern on the wall, and it's seeping through the first coat of paint. But once that is dry, we'll then be able to give it a second coat, and what you can see coming through, the pattern coming through the blue, it will disappear on the second coat. Now, I use this method of long straight strokes purely because it helps you to offload the paint and create a nice even surface. You can do it this way, depending on which way you prefer. As you can see, I'm doing long strokes. You can even do it randomly, like so. Like so. But it's all about what and how comfortable you feel when applying the paint. Or you can go back to the old traditional way by literally just screwing it off like so, putting it to one side. And then doing it by hand. This is the first coat, that's why it's grinning through. Now what I'm doing now, I'm just going back over the work that I've just done, and this is called laying off. I'm laying off the paint. This helps to give me a fantastic even finish. And I'm doing this before the paint is fully dry. And then there's the last bit. So, that's how you load your roller in a roller tray with emulsion paint and applying it onto the wall. You can go in different directions, whichever makes you feel comfortable. So, thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe or press the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.